Here at Aber, we offer a range of courses including business and management, accounting and finance, economics, marketing and tourism management, plus a suite of joint honours courses. Being Wales' oldest university, we are very proud of our long tradition of excellence in both teaching and research. Indeed, our school is one of the top places in the UK to study business and management and related courses. So what is special about us? Why should you choose to study business subjects at Aberystwyth? First, we are a medium-sized business school. This means that we can provide you with a much more personalised learning experience. Class sizes tend to be smaller than other business schools, meaning that our friendly staff will get to know you as an individual and therefore will be able to provide you with a much more tailored learning experience. Recent studies have seen us climb up the league tables. For example, in the most recent National Student Survey, all of our accounting and finance students stated that they're at least satisfied with their course. Our students also get jobs. For example, all our graduates in accounting and finance, business management, marketing and tourism management entered employment or further education within 6 months of graduating, with 3/4 of the attaining graduate level jobs. As you can see, I'm very proud of what we do here in Aberystwyth, and I truly believe that what we offer is one of the best experiences for studying business and related courses in the UK. I therefore would like to recommend that you attend one of our open days, and I look forward to potentially welcoming you here in the future.